My warmest birthday wishes to former President Rodrigo Duterte. I learned resilience and courage in your exigence. Thank you for teaching me the value of education. I wish you love, good health, and happiness. Happy 80th birthday, Papa.
Sa bawat laban, ikaw ang nauna. Tinig mo'y sigaw ng masa. Ngayong ikaw ay hinahatulan ng dayuhang walang alam. Sino pa ang nagmalasakit? Siya ngayon'y pinapahirap. Pilipinas ay lumuluha. Hustisyang sigaw ng madla. Tatay, di ko hindi ka nag-iisa. Milyon-milyong puso ang kasama. Ang bayang minahal mo ng tapat, hindi kailanman lilimot sa iyong hirap. Ilang taon mong isinakripisyo, kapayapaan, kaunlaran para sa Pilipino. Ngunit ngayon'y dinadala sa dayuhan. Parang wala nang saysay ang paglaban. Sino pa ang nagmalasakit? Siya ngayon'y pinapahirap. Ngunit hindi ka namin bibitawan. Katarungan ang aming ipaglalaban. Tatay, Digong, hindi ka nag-iisa. Milyon-milyong puso ang kasama. Ang bayang minahal mo ng tapat, hindi kailanman lilimot sa iyong hirap. Sa bawat dasal, pangalan mo'y kasama. Sa bawat sigaw, pangalan mo'y buhay pa. Hindi ka susukuan ng bayan. Ipaglalaban ka ng sambayanan. Tatay, Digong, hawak kamay nating ipakita. nag-iisa, Tatay Digong. Ang pagmamahal ng bayan ay di matutunaw. Kahit anong unos, kahit anong pagsubok. Alibad, nasa hawlang ito, may mga puno walang dahon, mga pusong di makakibo sa mga pangyayaring
Sabay-sabay! Hey! Hey! Happy birthday! Nakasama ba? Hey! Hey! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Sabay-sabay!
Hindi na kayang i-edit ang dami ng taong sumusuporta sa kanya! Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat!
At habang naglalakad tayo, isigaw na natin ang nasa loob natin!
At ang sigaw ng mga Davaoeños ay...
We will never get tired until you are home in Davao! Tatay Digong!
We are waiting for your comeback time! Mabuhay ang Davao! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Daghang salamat sa inyong sakripisyo, sa inyong mata kanina kadlawon just to join this event, this very momentous event. Something unique that we celebrate our 88th
Hoy! Wala ako sinabi ha! Kayo yun! But anyway, you know what? Let's have fun!
There's a choice to make. We're saving our lives. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a better day. Mamaya na tayo kaka.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! One more time! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Pero sa ko naman
Words can fully express how much we appreciate everything you've done for our country. Under your leadership, we felt safer, our streets were reclaimed, and opportunities for ordinary Filipinos became realities. You stood strong against powerful enemies, corrupt politicians, criminals, and terrorists, all for the love of the Filipino people. Despite the endless attacks against you, you never backed down. Your legacy is written in the hearts of millions who benefited from your leadership. Tatay, the Philippines will never forget you. We miss your courage, your authenticity, and your love for the nation. I hope you celebrate this milestone with peace and strength, knowing that countless Filipinos still stand with you. Duterte pa rin, ngayon at kailanman.